squeeze! Tight squeeze! See you dudes later. Sign the Texas Tornado. Propel the vessel, peasant! Propel! These aren't trucks! They're Skechers!
What? My alarm didn't go off?
No! I'm gonna miss my Meowthmatics exam! Why do chickens cross the road? 'Cause that's where the feed is sold! Woohoo! You heard the one about your neck? It's too long to tell. You hear the one about your eyes? It was corny as hell! It's today! Today's the day, isn't it?
Kenneth, what are you talking about?
I said I was getting spayed!
No, they said they were going to Spain.
Are you positive, Frank?
For fluff's sake, Kenneth, calm down.
No, I'm getting spayed for sure!
You can't get spayed, Kenneth. You don't have ovaries.
What? What happened to my ovaries? Are they over here? Maybe I left them over here. Oh, this is a catastrophe! I can't find them, Frank!